One thing you got to do is be careful where you put your knees and when you sit, because, so you can see right down here, the Power Steering Reservoir, and I had my knee resting on there just a little bit and snapped it off, so I'm gonna have to try fix that. Let's take that whole thing off. Now I'm gonna take this off. So let's fix this. So I do need to get this hard plastic piece out of here, so let's push this clamp back. Let's see if we can't get that out. It's gonna be hard. Oh, maybe that's... Ah, there we go. Okay, so I got one of these things. I figure if I drill this out the right size, I can, and tap this. I'm gonna drill up this, I'm drilling this way so shavings don't go in. So there's something else in there, some kind of baffle. I think this is going to be good. I checked online, another bottle, this $200, so that's a little rich for me. Now what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of Teflon tape on here to help seal it. Worst comes to worst, I could really clean this all up and do some JB weld, you know, right around the threads, but I think this will be fine. I'm just going to wrap it around twice. I don't want to make it too thick. All right, let's try that. I think that's good enough. Yeah, it feels great, and that's the right diameter. There we go. It's fixed. Let's put it back on. There we go. Like I say, it's good as new, but it's as good as it's gonna be, so I'm happy with that. So what we're gonna do is Matthew's gonna start the car. I'm going to have this one unhooked. This is the return line, so it'll pour into here. And then this is the line that sucks it in, and then I'll have the cap off, and then I will be putting fresh fluid in there until it's switched out. OEM for basically Asian cars, and it is synthetic, so we'll see if that makes any difference. You just lift this and get more of it out. This return line will go in here. Okay, start it up. Okay, stop. Put a little bit too much in here. Wow, you can see I got a full container here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, stop. All right, that'll been 1.5 quarts, so that should be good. Power steering is okay. We'll see if that quiets down. Alright, that's it for this video. Have a good day.